Rainbows too, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing over $100 worth of slime from Kawaii Slime Company, including shipping costs. We want to give a shout out to these amazing subscribers. If you want a chance to be featured in one of our future videos, comment down below a video suggestion or a positive comment with the hashtag Kawaii Rainbows 2 fam. And as always, links to all the shops that we reviewed in this video will be in the description box down below, as well as a link to our Instagram, so make sure to follow us on there. This package arrived sooner than other packages that we have previously purchased from this shop, as it arrived in only 8 days. Everything was securely packaged and wrapped in blue tissue paper. The extras included a slime care guide, 2 bottles of slime deactivator, and 2 spray bottles of slime activator, along with 2 extra slimes. The first extra slime was a rainbow sherbet ice cream pint, which had the most adorable packaging along with a beautiful mix of colors. We have already purchased and reviewed this slime before, and we love the scent along with the soothing cloud dough-like texture. We appreciate and love you all so much that we wanted to share the amazing experience of a high-quality slime shop, and we'll be giving away the rainbow sherbet pint to one lucky subscriber. To enter, you must follow Kawaii Slime Company on Instagram, follow us on Instagram at Kawaii Rainbows 2, be subscribed to our YouTube channel, be 18 years or older, or have parent/guardian permission, and comment enter me and the country you live in. The winner will be announced Friday, May 31st on our Instagram. We also received the Butter Cookies ice cream pint that has an adorable customized container. Once mixed, this slime turns into a pale brown color and has a smooth yet creamy texture that is very spreadable. This slime also includes some cookie chunks and has a buttery, sweet scent with hints of caramel and vanilla that complements the slime perfectly. The first slime that we purchased is a 12-ounce cookies and cream ice cream pint for $18. This slime has its own unique texture that is super thick, squishy, and fluffy, and also came with some black chunks to represent crushed up cookies. This has an amazing sweet cookies and cream scent that gives it a realistic touch. We had so much fun scooping the slime into sundae cups and love the variety of textures within the ice cream pint series. We highly recommend trying one of the many variations of ice cream pints. The scents are super realistic and delicious, and the textures differ between each flavor. The next slime that I purchased from the shop is a 6-ounce mango lassi for $14. This slime did arrive slightly sticky and did make strange shipping, which is not uncommon. A jumbo mango slice and 2 leaf charms are included. The only downside of the slime is the scent. The scent isn't our favorite and isn't very accurate to a mango lassi, but it does have a creamy and sweet undertone. Some cute jelly cubes are included that resemble mango chunks and are super satisfying and not too difficult to crush.
The third slime that we purchased is a 10-ounce carrot cake for $18. We love the concept and presentation of this slime. We were able to mold it into a carrot cake slice, which was so much fun. The slime has some initial snow fallout, but incorporates back into the slime the more it is played with. The scent complements the slime very well and smells like carrot cake with a hint of lemon.
The next slime that we will be reviewing is a 6-ounce slime India coconut, which costs $13. This slime has a very stretchy and clicky base. It's not a super thick slime, but we love the color and add-ins. A flexible line charm and several cute flower charms are included, along with some realistic coconut flakes. The scent is so refreshing and overall very fun slime that is great for bowl pops. The next slime in the package is a 6-ounce Danish Cookie, which costs $13. This slime is a bit too clay heavy for our liking, and we would prefer a bit more slime to make it a little bit more stretchy and playable. Nonetheless, the slime is very spreadable, thick, and holdable. We love the cookie crumbs and charm. The scent has notes of vanilla and caramel, which complements the slime nicely.
The final slime that we purchased was a 25-ounce Japanese cheesecake for $35. Although the price may seem like a lot, keep in mind that you are paying only $1.40 per ounce, which is a lot cheaper than other slimes. This is the largest quantity of slime that we have purchased, and we do not regret it one bit. This slime is by far our most favorite slime from this package. The concept and creativity are astounding and has so many amazing details such as charms, a picnic cloth, a cake board, and powdered sugar / cornstarch. The clay is very sizzly, stretchy, and easy to work with. We adore the thick, glossy, and stretchy texture of the base slime. We had so much fun assembling the cheesecake. We followed the instructions provided and rolled out the clay topper using the lid of the base slime. Just a quick note, we did not let the slime sit for the recommended time as we feared the clay topper would harden, as experienced with DIY clay slimes from other slime shops. Overall, we were very pleased with the end result. The clay and slime mixed into an airy, stretchy, and sizzling clay slime with an amazing sweet berry pastry scent.
Once again, we highly recommend visiting Kawaii Slime Company's slime shop. There are so many wonderful creative slimes to choose from, and don't forget to enter for a chance to win a 12-ounce ice cream slime pint from Kawaii Slime Company.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a like if you want to see more videos like this.